AB and CD are two parallel chords in a circle with center O and the radius is 5. If the length of AB is equal to 6, AB has length 6, CD is equal to 8, find the perpendicular distance between the two chords. Alright, so since we have to find the perpendicular distance, so I'm quickly going to draw a perpendicular from the centers on these two different chords. So if I drop a perpendicular from O on CD, let's take this line and let's mark this point P. Let's understand that the property says that any perpendicular dropped from the center on any chord always bisects the chord, which means point P will bisect CD into two equal parts, and since the CD has length equal to 8, so we can say that CP and PD both will have length equal to 4 units. Now in any such case, it's really important that you draw a geometry that is going to be instrumental in answering the question. So what I'm doing is that in case of circle, the instruction is that any point on the circumference should be joined with the center so that the distance can be marked as radius. So we have this distance available as 5, and now we can simply use Pythagoras theorem, and OP can be quickly calculated as 3 units because 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 3 square, right? Now let's quickly look at the other triangle. That means from point O, now I'm going to drop a perpendicular on chord AB, and this is going to divide this chord into two equal parts. Let's call this point Q. So AQ and QB will be equal, and since AB has length equal to 6 units, so each length will be 3 units. 3 units AQ and 3 units will be the length of BQ. And we are going to draw the same construction again. That means joining the center with the end point of the chord OB, and this distance is the radius, which is 5 units as given in the question. And now we have a right triangle OQB. Using the prior Pythagoras theorem again, we can find out this distance as equal to 4. That means the distance PQ is going to be equal to 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7 units, and the answer is option D. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much.